How to Make Money with AI Tools. Beginner's Step-by-Step Guide. Introduction. Did you know that right now, people with zero tech skills are making money with AI tools? From selling ebooks, to designing logos, to creating YouTube videos without ever showing their face, AI is helping everyday people turn side hustles into real income. And the best part? You don't need to be a programmer, a tech genius, or even have a lot of money to get started. In this video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step beginner's roadmap to start making money with AI. By the end, you'll know exactly which tools to use, what to create, and how to actually start earning online. Welcome to the AI Money Vault. Let's dive in. Step 1. Understand the AI opportunity. First, let's talk about why this is such a big opportunity. AI is not here to replace people. It's here to replace people who don't know how to use it. Those who learn to leverage it are moving faster, producing more, and earning money in ways that weren't possible just a few years ago. The global AI market is expected to reach $1 trillion by 2030. That means the door is wide open for small creators, freelancers, and entrepreneurs to claim their share. Think of AI as your digital assistant. It writes, designs, creates, edits, and even automates tasks for you. Step 2. Choose your money-making path. But before you start throwing tools around, you need to pick a path. There are 3 beginner-friendly ways to make money with AI. Number 1. Content creation. Use AI to write blogs, YouTube scripts, or ebooks. Number 2. Freelancing and services. Use AI to speed up jobs you sell on Fiverr or Upwork. Number 3. Digital products. Use AI to design printables, templates, or online courses. Here's the key. Pick one lane. Don't try to do everything at once. Focus on mastering one method, then expand later. Step 3. The tools you need. So what tools do you actually need? Here are the essentials. ChatGPT for writing, ideas, automation. Canva for creating designs, templates, and visuals. Pictory or InVideo for creating YouTube videos without filming yourself. MidJourney or Leonardo AI for generating artwork and images. The best part, most of these tools are free, or at least have free versions you can start with. Step 4. Create something to sell. Now comes the fun part, actually creating something that can make you money. Here are 3 super simple starter projects. Use ChatGPT to write an ebook, polish it in Canva, and sell it on Amazon Kindle. Create a faceless YouTube video. ChatGPT writes the script, an AI voice tool narrates it, and Pictory puts it all together. Open a Fiverr gig. Offer resume writing, logo design, or social media posts, powered by AI tools that speed up your workflow. Here's the secret. Don't wait for perfect. The faster you publish your first ebook, video, or gig, the faster you'll learn and improve. Step 5. Get traffic and sales. Of course, having a product is only half the game. You need eyeballs on it. Here are quick ways to get traffic. Post short content on TikTok or Instagram Reels to promote your ebook or service. Upload regularly on YouTube, even if it's simple AI-made videos. Use existing marketplaces like Fiverr, Etsy, or Amazon KDP where buyers are already searching. Remember, don't build in silence. Put your work out there so people can actually find it. Step 6. Scale with AI. Once you've got your first sale or first piece of content online, it's time to scale. Here's how. Repurpose your work. An ebook can become a course. A YouTube script can become a blog post. A Fiverr gig can be packaged into a larger service. Batch create. Instead of making one design at a time, use AI to make 10. Automate. Use AI to handle repetitive tasks, freeing you up to focus on growth. This is how you turn small wins into consistent income streams. In closing, let's recap 6 steps. 1. Understand the AI opportunity. 2. Choose your money-making path. 3. Grab the right tools. 4. Create something to sell. 5. Get traffic and sales. 6. Scale with AI. This is the exact roadmap to start building your AI-powered income stream. Now, here's what's next. In my next video, I'll show you exactly how to use ChatGPT to make your first $100 online, step by step. So if you don't want to miss that, hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and join me here inside the AI Money Vault. Thanks for watching, and remember, the future belongs to those who learn how to use AI today.